Now in this module, we will be practicing all what we have learned for posting process. So please be attentive. In this module, we will see there is a journal, and from that journal, we will extract a chart of accounts, and for each accounting head appearing in the chart of account, we shall develop a ledger account. By the way, in this module, I will not be emphasizing on the mechanism, because mechanism that we have already learned that how to do all this processing. In the same way, in this module, I will not repeat the concept of journalizing or the rules of debit and credit that you already know very well. So just observe. And one thing more, that whatsoever you will learn in this module, you will practice yourself 2 or 3 times. Okay? Promise? Thank you. Let's move forward. So this is a practice question in which you see we have so many number of transactions with us on different dates. And just see that all these transactions have been already recorded in a journal. Here you see journal is already maintained. We can observe journal accounting entries. Okay. So all these are already maintained. Well, okay. This is the chart of account. So I'll take you back to the journal entries and just observe that how this chart of account is developed. Here we have bank account, cash account, capital account, okay, furniture account, van account. Bank we have already taken, okay, so don't count bank once again. Rent account, bank is repeating. Purchases account, creditor Jordan account, okay. So just you see that we did not double count or 3 times count this bank account while developing chart of account. Let's jump to the chart of account at once and see, are these appearing there? Yes, bank account, cash account, capital account, furniture account, van account, rent account, purchases account, and creditor Jordan account. Okay, let's go back and see which new account is coming up now. So we know that we have already taken this cash account, okay. So we will not repeat this cash, rather sales, yes, we have to take, okay. Wages, yes. Insurance, yes. Sales we have already taken, cash, bank we have already taken, wages we have already taken, okay. Then comes creditor Jordan we have already taken. Yes, purchase return is the new accounting head. And creditor Dunhill is a new accounting head coming up. And then stationery is a new accounting head. Okay. And rest others are repeating: cash, sales, creditor Dunhill, bank, wages, bank, cash. Okay, good. So now, see, our chart of account will be developed like this. So we took all these accounting heads from the journal, but none of these accounting heads should be repeated. account only once and prepare this list. So what you see that there are 14 ledger accounts that we need to develop in our main ledger. Okay. Remember this list: bank, cash, capital, furniture, van, rent, purchases, creditor, Jordan, sales, wages, insurance, purchase return, creditor, Dunhill, stationery account. These are the 14 ledger accounts that we would be preparing in our main ledger. Well, let's see. Yes, here we go. Bank account. I told you at the start of this module that I will not repeat the mechanism of process of posting, that how do we do posting, rather just observe yourself and then practice. This is T account for bank, okay? T account for cash, okay? And here we are putting the reason why bank is being debited, why bank is being debited, okay? Bank is being debited on 1st of January and 31st of January. Okay, just since it is our start, let me take these two accounting entries for you on January 1 and on January 31. Well, on January 1, what happened in fact? On January 1, bank was debited with 200,000, okay? And see, in all other journal entries, bank is not debited. Just see, bank is not debited. Bank was credited in other, but bank was not debited. Bank not debited, not debited, not debited. Bank not debited here, not debited, not. Bank not debited, yes. Then on 31st, bank was debited with 20,000. Got it? So this is what we put in the debit of bank because of capital and because of cash on 1st January and 31st January. And these are the amounts. So in the same way, you will see that for how many times bank is being credited, put dates over there, the reasons, and the amount. Got it? So this is how you will be preparing cash. For which reason cash is being debited? Amount. For which reason cash is being credited? Amount. Okay? And here you see it is becoming a summary of bank and cash. Then in the same way you will develop a summary for capital and furniture. Then summary for van and rent. Summary for purchases and creditors, Jordan. Summary for sales and wages and insurance. Summary for purchases return, creditors, and stationery. The important tips to remember in this module are that always develop a chart of account before starting the posting process or before developing summary. And that summary is also known as ledger account. Okay? Summary of a specific accounting head is known as a ledger account. So develop a chart of account before starting this process. Then, ledger account of an accounting head summarizes all related journal entries recorded in journal because it is a summary, okay, of all related journal entries that we have already recorded in the journal. Okay? I believe that this needs more practice to be perfect. So please solve this practice question 2-3 times on your own. Thank you.